Now, on your calculator, the kids were having trouble, all right? Anytime you want to raise something to a power, some kids have this caret button. You can hit the caret and then the 2, and that's the same, all right? The other thing you can do is there is a physical x squared button on your calculator, all right? So I want everybody to take their calculator out. I just want you to do 3, and then I want you to square it and tell me what the answer is. Everybody do 3 squared on the calculator. Yes, you need to get it, but you got to hurry too. All right, hurry. So if you got 9, that means you know how to use your calculator. All right, if you didn't get 9, we got to talk about how to use your calculator. Logan, do you have your calculator? You're slacking. You need to go tell your mama to get you a new calculator. They're cheap and easy. All right, you need to go get it. All right. Josh, do you have yours? Where's your calculator? All right, you need to bring it, okay? Please bring it. We have a lot of work to do, especially tomorrow on a bunch of formulas. I need to show you how to use your calculator if you don't know. Brendan, what about you? Where's your calculator?
Here.
I just wanted to know if you know how to use your calculator.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Wait, what did you say before?
3 and then the square button. It's like an x2. Do you see it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, good. What? What's the matter?
Mine is like I put like this thing.
Hit 3 and then hit the square button. What does it say?
I hit 3.
No, this button is the square button. Hit 3 squared. That should be. The other thing you can do is hit 3, hit that button, and then do 2. Then that should be 9 also. That's how you use it. All right. So how are you going to do the work today?
That's on Google. We're doing just the even or odds.
No, we're going to do the evens in class today. I already did the odds with the other class. That way tonight, again, if you're having any issues and some of the area problems are kind of hard, all right, then you can go back tonight and listen to the video. That's what I'm wanting. All right. We're going to do the, we're going to go down and do the evens. All right. Lots of word problems. All right. So again, area equals pi r squared. So in number 2, is 24 the diameter or is it the radius? Diameter. So first problem, we're going to do A equals pi. Then what's the radius? 12. So everybody do pi times 12 squared. Pi times 12 squared. Everybody's doing it on their own calculator. And then you're going to tell me what the answer is. And then we're going to make sure everybody knows how to use their calculator. And then we're just going to go around the room. And you're going to read the problem and tell me how to do it. What? I want rounded to 3 decimal places. Tell me 452 point what? About 389. And then you'd say meters squared. Now, if you didn't get that, you need to tell me. You ready? You did get it or didn't? I don't understand. What? You what? Man, I can't understand you. You didn't? Okay. So what are you doing on your paper? What are you doing on the iPad? All right, let's go. Come on. I don't even know where you're at. What is this? This is circle and circumference. We're on area. That's the problem. You're supposed to be in 12-2.
Wait, so you press.
So to do pi times 12 squared, pi,
Okay.
Where's the pi button?
Right here.
Times 12 squared, where's the square button?
Right here?
Yes, equals.
Okay. Thank
There
you.
you have it. That's what I'm saying. Did you do that? Man, I've just had enough. Seriously, Brennan, I've had enough. Do you understand that? I want you to sit up in your chair right. When I address you, I want you to speak to me properly. That's what I want. Or your dad's going to be in tomorrow morning and we're going to talk about it. What do you want? All right? I mean it. You're goofing around too much. That's the problem I'm having. I'm asking you a question. You mosey around, get a calculator. You think everything's funny again. It's not funny to me. You learning is not funny to me. You didn't do your homework. Now, type it in. Let's go. Pi times what? That's the diameter. Is that? Oh yeah, you're right. 12. No, come on. Pi times 12. Where's the square button? Enter. There you go, man. Easy. Easy as that. Trey, you're good, right?
Yeah, I'm good. I figured-
Jackson, you good? Josh, you know how to use yours?
Yes.
All right. Maya, you good, right? Everybody else. Misha, I just helped you, right? So, Logan, did you get it? Okay. And also, Evan, did you get yours now, right? You know how to do it?
Yep.
All right. So here we go. We're on number 4. So here we go. Let's just start over here. Ethan, tell me. I want everybody, you don't have to write pi r squared, but you have to write it out. And that means A equals pi times, what's the radius in number 4? 8, good. 8 squared. And then do that on your calculator, and then tell me the 3 decimal places.
201.061.
How much?
201.061.
Thank you. Now I can actually hear you speaking clearly. I like that. Inches squared. Thank you. Is that correct? Everybody else get that? Bless you. All right. Come on now. You're up. You can use your iPad. Isn't there something on your iPad with a calculator? Yeah, do it. I need you to participate. So area equals pi. What's the radius? No. 18 is the diameter. 9. Pi times 9 squared. What is that? Well, you can just do 9 times 9 then. Times pi. Somewhere around there, guys? Is anybody else agreeing with that? All right, I'm good. What?
So when it's half of the circle, you get.
Right, that's the difference between the diameter and the radius, okay? The radius is the halfway. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
What? What did you think it was? What? I'm not trying to be funny.
Well, I wasn't actually looking at the MI.
Oh, okay. So you just missed the units. All right. I thought like it might be some other unit like that I wasn't aware of.
Oh, no, I know
Okay.
it.
All right, good. Okay, so here we go. Allie, number 18. What am I doing?
So, oh, if
Big one?
8.
oh, I wasn't. So would it be 5 times 14 squared?
Nope. Pi times what? For number 8.
14.
It's a diameter.
I mean 7.
There you go, kiddo.
Sorry.
It's all right. No, don't be sorry. That's part of what I'm showing everybody. You got to be careful. So now tell me the answer.
153.938.
And then inches squared. Thank you very much. Jackson, go. Number 10.
So would it be 5 squared times pi?
Yes. And tell me what that is.
Oh, so 78.539.
Good. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, number 12, Misha, go.
4.2.
Good job. 4.2 what?
It's 5 times 4.2.
That's correct. Pi times 4.2 squared. And I'm waiting.
um, 20.7 is 1.5.
Say it again. Shh.
20.7815.
I don't think so. No, redo it again. She can do this, guys. Let her make a mistake and let her correct herself. Pi times 4.2 squared equals.
Oh, I have 55.
There we go. 55 point what?
4176.
Good job. Meters squared.
Did I actually-
That's okay. It doesn't matter now. That's what I'm saying. You're allowed to make a mistake on that. All right. So now, Josh, read 14.
The top of the cap of the bottle, on the bottle.
That's 13. 14 has a 4 next to it.
A DVD has a radius of 6.1 centimeters. What is the area of the DVD?
Okay, so we're always going to do the 3 decimal places. So tell me, area equals, what am I doing?
6.1 squared,
Good job.
116.8.
And then what units? Are you okay with that? Are you typing things in?
Yeah.
Right, I don't want you just writing things.
I got it.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, 16.
Okay. The circular pattern is raised to 5 feet. I don't want to put multiple pattern because 35 cents per square foot wall. Unless then put multiple pattern.
That's right. Let's hear it. What am I doing?
So with I times
Mm-hmm.
5 times
What's the radius?
5 times 5 or 5 times 5 squared.
Yes. Tell me what that number is.
78.539.
Okay, so that's 78.539. What units?
Cents
Nope.
or dollars.
No, not yet. Not yet. You're finding the area of your, yes, you're finding the area of your garden, which is this many square feet. You understand that? So now visualize, you got 78.539 square feet. And it's going to cost you what?
35 cents per square foot.
So now what do I do?
So you want the exact number? Like,
Now I want you to tell me what to do to solve the problem.
okay, so the 8.539 times 0.35.
Yes, very good, times 0.35. And tell me what that is. Now here, we're talking about money, so we round to a penny. That's what we round to.
So $19.63.
Did anybody else get $19.63? Anybody else get $19.63? You got that? Does that make sense? Now listen, I don't want you obviously to put down $19.63 if you don't know what he's doing. What?
How is he gonna put 0.35?
Well, because listen to me. All right. So here's what I'm telling you, right? Please look and listen. All right. And I'm going to try to draw something that will help you. Because again, I always used to ask kids why they don't understand something, right? When to me it's so obvious. So I'm going to try to help you. All right. So we have a circular flower garden, right? And you know what? I know you know what that means, right? Now, the area, if I were to cut this, right? To find the area, I'm just trying to show you something. All right, just be patient with me for 1 second. I'm drawing this out, and then I'm going to draw this way. And do you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'm creating a bunch of what? Squares. So how many squares are in here, in this circle? How many squares are in this circle?
Oh, in this circle, 78.
Right, in this circle that there are 78 squares. You hear me?
Yeah.
This is what I need you to understand. This is costing me what?
Oh, 30.
For each square, it's costing me 35
That's
cents.
how you multiply.
That's why you multiply. All right, what?
I got $7.41.
How did we get 19? Who said 19.60?
I got something so different.
Did you do 78.539 times 0.35?
Yeah.
And what did you get? Do it again on your calculator. Shh. I want them to do it again.
Yeah, I know. $27.
Thank you. Thank you. $27 and what?
49 cents.
That's why everybody's supposed to do it on their own. All right? He's usually right, so I just assumed he was right. That's why I'm saying do it on your own. All right? Everybody has to do it on their own. So it's going to cost not that amount, but $27.49. Now, Allie, you understand what I was saying now about all that is? All right? That's all it is. You're counting squares, and each square costs 35 cents. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, which,
Times 25 is 35.
that's all. It's not a big deal. It really isn't a big deal. That's why you show your work. All right? So let's do 18. Logan, I'm asking you to read it. Okay, so we have 2 cookies. So we're going to draw just to be safe. And 1 is telling me that we have a diameter. So I'm going to draw the diameter just to make sure. And that diameter is 4. But then the other one is telling me we have a radius of what? Right, which means this cookie is actually bigger. Right, so this radius is 3, while this radius over here would be what? 2. All right, so what's the difference? So I want to know what the area of this cookie is and what's the area of both cookies. Quickly, Logan. Which is 12.566 inches squared, right? And then the other one is, so what are we saying here, guys? Do you agree there's not much difference in an inch? Like one cookie is 3 inches and one is 2 inches. It doesn't seem like there would be that much difference in area. Does everybody agree? What is there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a big difference in the area. All right, so what is the difference in the area, Logan? Shh. Yes, right, that's kind of weird. It's twice as big. All right, is everybody with me? All right. All right, anybody have any issues? All right, so now I'm on 20. You haven't done one yet, go. What does semicircle mean? Half a circle, good. So tell me. So what do I need to do?
I did.
Right. Wait a minute. 24 divided by 2 isn't 400 and something.
Well, and then
So the radius is 12. So the area would be what? How do I do the area? I'm asking. I don't want the answer. I want to know how you got that number. That's it?
Yeah.
No.
What?
You have to square it.
No, stop talking.
Oh, no.
What do I do? Is it a full circle? It's a what? So what do I have to do? Yes, cut it in half, divide by 2. Do you agree with me now? So tell me what pi times 12 squared divided by 2 is.
You just told me to do 6.
I didn't tell you to do 6.
You told me to do 5.
I'm asking you what's pi times 12 squared divided by 2.
Okay. 452.3.
Oh, so you were right? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, I was right.
Okay, 452 point what?
0.3.
Now don't take her word for it. All right, everyone else do that. Is that correct?
No,
No.
No, you
No.
gotta.
That's what
you
I
have to
got.
divide it by 2.
That's what I'm saying.
No, you told me not to do
It's
200.
200.
No, stop. Would you do pi times 12 squared divided by 2 and tell me the answer?
326.195.
Okay, and that's square inches. All right, so now what do I have to do?
Times that
By what?
by 0.015.
What?
0.01.
$1.50.
Yeah, and then you move the decimal.
Now you're thinking percentages, kiddo.
No, I'm not.
Well, $1.50 is not 0.015.
So I just do one.
Yes, as I was saying, you thinking percentages. So multiply that by 1.5 and tell me what we get.
339.29.
Yes, and we're rounding it. Good job. 339.29. Now again, it's not doing you any good to write down my answer. Misha, are you working it right? And tell me if you're having trouble, right? What?
Why would you divide it by 2 again? Because the radius of the semicircle is 4.
Oh, maybe I made a mistake. Not, because this is the diameter. And in the formula, I need the what? The radius.
Well, you could.
The radius of the semicircle is 12.
Well, I did it like this, so like that's the.
There's a semicircle, do you agree?
Yes.
So a semicircle, if the diameter of the semicircle is 24, the radius of the semicircle would be 12.
Yeah.
So that's why I did pi times 12 squared. That would be if it was a full circle, but it's a semicircle, so I divide by 2.
But then why does it say the diameter of the real circle is 24? Like,
Because,
I'm confused.
so,
is this, we're talking about this line.
yes,
Okay, that makes more sense.
that's the diameter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. I'm gonna let that one slide. All right. Anybody else have any questions? Everybody's good? All right, let's knock out 22. All right. Who hasn't said one? Yes, Riley, go.
So duck ordered a circular pizza. The length of the edge of each slice from the crust to the center is 9 inches. What is periodic?
So what is that telling you?
You got the radius.
Yes, very smart, girl. Good. So all it's doing is just telling me the radius is 9.
A is equal to a negative pi times 9 squared. That's equal to 254.469
Exactly. Thank you. Inches squared. Perfect. All right. So Evan, I want you to read 24.
Hi. Mr. I don't know the name, but
Go. I don't know it either.
bought 4 new stools for her kitchen. Each stool top had a diameter of 14 inches. Whatever wants to make pads for each stool. The padding is 3 cents per square inch. How much will whatever spend in padding for the 4 stools?
All right, buddy, you're on. What do I have to do? What are you thinking?
First find the area of the stool.
Right? So the area equals,
So area equals pi times 14 squared.
I times what?
Oh, I forgot diameter. Whoops.
All right.
7 squared.
Thank you. So tell me what that is, please.
I got 153.938
But
inches squared.
now what do I need? Let them work.
Hmm.
Now what?
Would it be divided by 0.03?
Why are we dividing by 0.03?
Because it's 3 cents for each square inch.
Okay, so I want to
Oh
ask.
wait, no, it wouldn't be dividing, it'd be multiplying, right?
Understand that, right? Because this is saying, please, and again, I'm trying to make sure everybody understands that each circle has 153 or almost 154 inches in it, correct? Does that make sense? So you
Yeah.
got to multiply by 0.03. So do that. Tell me what you got.
I got 4.618,
We
but
take
it's money, so it'd be 6.62.
that's correct. Now, is that the final answer?
No, because then you have to multiply it by 4 because
Sir, good job. Tell me what that is.
so 4.62 times 4 would be 18.48 or $18.48.
Thank you. That's a good job. 1848. All right, so I'm pretty happy with that. What time's the bell ring? All right, so we got some time. Now, again, listen, what I'm telling you guys is, again, some of you have lots of homework because you weren't here yesterday, so I'm expecting it to be done tomorrow. You hear me? All right, it's not that hard. I have the videos. All right, now your job right now, not yet, I'm explaining something. Right now, your job is to go back and do the what? Odds. For some strange reason, now listen to me, there's a couple hard questions. I want you to look it up on the video how to do it if you're not sure. All right? Because I'm going to put the same questions on the test. All right? And we do have another quiz on Friday. Yes, just over these 3 little sections. All right? But you have to know the areas. Yes, Thursday is the review. All right? So, Evan, get busy on the odds, okay, buddy? That was good work, by the way.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow, man.
See you tomorrow. Have a great day.
You have a great day too, Evan. Thank you.